Hey there homeowners, welcome back to another installment of our Golden Rule Plumbing, Heating and Cooling Electrical Series, and I am Michael Allie. Today we're going to dive into the near and dear topic of every homeowner's heart, clogs. Yep, those pesky blockages. They seem to pop up at the most inconvenient times, but fear not, friends, we're going to unravel the mystery of clogs together. So why do clogs happen, you ask? Picture this, your pipes are like arteries in your home's plumbing. Systems carrying water and waste away, but just like arteries can get clogged with cholesterol, pipes can get clogged with sorts of gunk, hair, soap, scum, grease, and you name it. Over time, this buildup can narrow the pipe and cause blockages. Not fun, right? Now what's the #1 cause of drain clogs? Drumroll please, it's grease. Yep, that slippery stuff you pour down the kitchen sink. Grease can solidify and cling to the pipe walls, trapping other debris and creating a sticky mess. So remember to dispose of grease properly, never down the drain. Ever wonder why toilets clog every time you flush? Well, there could be a few reasons. Maybe you're flushing down items that shouldn't be flushed, like paper towels or those so-called flushable wipes. Spoiler alert, they're not so flushable. Or perhaps you got an older toilet that seems better days. Low flow toilets are great for saving water, but sometimes they don't have the flushing power to do the job. When it comes to choosing a toilet that's less prone to clogs, there are a few things to keep in mind. Look for toilets with a powerful flush mechanism or a nice wide trapway, the passage at the bottom of the toilet bowl, and if you really want to take a step up your game, consider a toilet with pressure assist flush technology. Trust me, your pipes will thank you later. And there you have it, the lowdown on clogs and how to prevent them. Remember, a little prevention goes a long way in keeping your plumbing happy and healthy. And if you ever find yourself in a bind, don't hesitate to call us here at Golden Rule Plumbing, Heating, Cooling, and Electrical. We've got the tools and the expertise to tackle any clog, big or small. Until next time, happy plumbing.